In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record voice in Canva. By the end, you'll be comfortable capturing clear audio right inside your Canva project without needing any extra software. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Canva. When the results appear, click the official Canva link. You'll know you're in the right place when the address bar shows the canva.com domain. Once you're there, log into your account. If you already stay signed in, you'll land on your home page. Otherwise, enter your usual credentials and continue. Next, open the Canva design or project where you want to add your voice. This could be a presentation, a social post, a video, or any design that needs narration. Having your canvas open first makes the recording flow more smoothly because your audio will be saved right back into this project. Look to the left-hand toolbar and open the Uploads tab. This is where Canva manages your files and where the live recording tools are located. Inside Uploads, find and click the option labeled Record Yourself. This opens Canva's built-in recording studio. You'll now choose the mode called Record a Talking Head. This is perfect when you want your voice recorded, and if you like, your face on camera. As soon as the studio loads, you should see a prompt asking for permission to use your microphone and, optionally, your camera. Grant access, then select the microphone you want to use. If you have an external mic, pick it from the drop-down. Say a few words at a normal speaking volume and watch the level meter to make sure your audio is coming through clearly without peaking. You can also choose your camera if you plan to be on screen. You'll notice additional settings that let you decide whether you want camera only, camera and screen, or screen only. Choose the option that fits your recording style. For simple voice narration, pick the setup that keeps the focus on your audio and make sure you're in a quiet space to minimize background noise. When you're ready, click the Record button. You may see a short countdown. Speak clearly and steadily, and keep an eye on the timer if you're aiming for a specific length. When you're finished, click Done. Then select Save and Exit. Canva will add your new recording to your design, so it's ready to use right away. That's all there is to it. Quick, simple, and built directly into your Canva workflow.